iOS 12 is now available to download. Apple has just released the final version of iOS 12. This update is all about making your phone work better, and there are also a bunch of new features. The update is currently rolling out and is available both over the air in the Settings app, and by plugging your device into iTunes for a wired update. Many people try to download these major updates at the same time. Apple usually implements a queue system to ensure speedy downloads once you're at the front of the queue. iOS 12 is compatible with any device that can run iOS 11, the iPhone 5s and later, the iPad mini 2 and later, the iPad Air and later, as well as the most recent iPod Touch. But first, back up your device. Make sure your iCloud backup is up to date by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and tapping on your account information at the top and then on your device name. Additionally, you can also plug your iOS device to your computer to do a manual backup in iTunes, or do both. Really, don't forget to encrypt your backup in iTunes. It is much safer if somebody hacks your computer. And encrypted backups include saved passwords and health data. This way, you don't have to reconnect to all your online accounts. Once this is done, you should go to the Settings app as soon as possible to get in the queue. Navigate to Settings, then General, and then Software Update. Then you should see Update Requested. It will then automatically start downloading once the download is available. The Photos, News and Stocks apps have been improved, as well as Apple Books, the app formerly known as iBooks. Apple is introducing Memoji on the iPhone X. It's a customized avatar that you can use in iMessage and FaceTime to represent you. While you download the update, why don't you head over to my review and read about all the new features in iOS 12. And if you want to impress all your friends, learn some neat little hidden features in iOS 12.